If you have been anywhere near VR in the past years, then you have heard of VRChat. Because it's probably the biggest social VR platform out there, which is known for being remarkably flexible by letting its users importing their own avatars and even creating their own game worlds. And that is why it is such a big deal that they are now releasing a huge update which makes the avatars even more realistic in the way they move, announcing that they are bringing a completely new inverse kinematic system, which basically means that it is used to estimate the in-game body positions relative to the user's physical movement. For example, if you have seen an avatar's elbow move or bend weirdly, or their legs being dragged over the floor in a strange shuffle, then this system is there trying to compensate for these movements because of the lack of sufficient tracking. This update has been in beta for a long time, so you might have already seen some other people in VRChat that are using this new system. However, this update makes it now broadly available for the entire user base. This includes improved elbow positioning, better motion and posing handling with up to 11 points of tracking, and also calibration savings for an easier setup for users with multiple 5 trackers. But VRChat didn't stop there. They also added new options that include the ability to measure your avatar by height, adding in a lock-in viewpoint for better body sizing, knee tracking, chest tracking, and both elbow and shoulder tracking as well. Overall, this takes VRChat's body tracking to a whole new level, and it's great to see that this game, which is released all the way back in 2017, is still going strong, with an estimated of 80,000 players still connected every single day, which also gives hope for other big VR titles, where these kind of systems could make the immersion and realism of your VR avatars so much better.